My video guide will help you to remove the new adware that is now attacking many Mac computers. The adware is called BridgePro. BridgePro is the name of the application that we found on a deceptive web page claiming that the installed version of Adobe Flash Player is out of date. Of course, it was a deception, but we proceeded with that installation of fake Adobe Flash Player, and after we did that, BridgePro adware was installed. So you can now clearly see that this BridgePro adware uses deceptive claims, deceptive and faulty statements that encourage people to implement some updates for their Mac computers, for the browser, or some other software update. All these statements are absolutely faulty, and if people mistakenly proceed with installing such fake Adobe Flash players, they install BridgePro and other malicious and potentially unwanted software. This BridgePro adware is the part of the AdLoad family. Once installed, it starts displaying the great number of advertisements that are not related to the sites that people visit. Usually, adware type applications show intrusive coupons, banners, surveys, pop-ups, and other ads. It is worth mentioning that clicking on those ads can download or install some other potentially unwanted software. So if you have discovered this BridgePro to be the part of your Mac computer, go to your Finder, check your applications, find this BridgePro, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. If you see any other programs like that that are not familiar to you, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend that you additionally examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is available both for Mac and for Windows computers, but this BridgePro adware only attacks Mac computers, of course. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. In my case, it is in the premium mode. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, has got some absolutely free features such as disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. So then the scanning will begin, and the program will most likely discover some threats in the very beginning, but some other threats can be found later on at the lapse of some minutes. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, and other infections. The scanning itself will take some time. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, or it may depend on how infected the system is, and it may also depend on some other factors too. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found. You'll be able to know the locations of these threats. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected, to keep your computer always free of threats. Combo Cleaner Premium license will help you very well in this matter.